Do you know this face? This lady changed my life, and there is 3 things I've learned from her, which I believe every married person or a single person should apply in their own marriage. Yes, it may not work for you verbatim, but I believe if you can understand what I'm going to show you in this video, it will transform the way you're treating your relationship right now, or the way you're going to treat your relationship in the future. So pay keen attention. All right, before I tell you the very thing that changed my life, I'm going to tell you how we met. It all started 2012 when I joined the fellowship called FECA. So in that fellowship, we usually have Sunday meetings. And I used to spot her in the front seat where she usually sits and tie her muffler around. She's always on her own, silent, and doesn't talk to anybody all the time. So people are scared of her going to her because she's a smart person. She sits comported and everything, very comfortable and a kind of proud. Sorry for that word, but that's what I think in those days, that this mama is always on her own and then. But I didn't know she was always studying people. She was always trying to solve problems for people. Around 2013, she called me one night and told me, Ifeanyi, what's your name? I said, my name is Ifeanyi. And she's already like a vice president, and I'm just a new member in the fellowship. So she told me, I want us to talk. That night, she took me to a corner, and she sat with me. I was eating, and then she was done eating after the conference. It was around 4 a.m. She told me something that changed my life. I see something in you, like a potential, and I don't know how big you want that thing to be. But the life you're living now is not correlating with the life I see in you. Wow. I couldn't even believe it. How can somebody see something in me that for which I'm not seeing? I'm a new member in fellowship. You mean this person that is always on her own is actually studying me or studying other people in the fellowship? What's so special about me? Because, I'm a street guy, hawking, doing my business. What's there? But when she told me that she see potential in me, because then I used to add drama. I'm a drama king. I used to add devil because I couldn't speak good English. So I would add devil so I don't need to talk too much. And also I can add a madman, sell my herbal drugs in comedy way. She told me that the drama and the way I do drama is not meant to be that way. That drama can be more civil, more civilized, and then it can also have something people can learn from. And that I'm not just an actor, I have something in me. She kept saying that thing, and I picked that point. You know when someone tell you that you are this, and you usually think that you are this person here, but somebody's seeing you here. So I said, okay, if this person can see this, maybe I can work with her to manifest that stuff. That was it. So 2013, 2014, 2015, we kept working, we kept talking. This was not a relationship. We're not dating. There is no way on earth I would date her. There is no way on earth. Vice president in FECA, just a normal person in fellowship who cannot even date. So she kept mentoring me, giving me books to read, materials to take through. Anytime I feel high, I feel I need to get a girlfriend, I'll go and talk to her. Mama, look at this, look at that. She coached me between that period to 2021 when we got married. So I think I've done a video about how we got married in the past. I'm going to do it again this our anniversary by September. So long story cut short, that was how I met this lady from 2012 to today. And the 3 things I've learned from Precious is, number 1, Precious is a born coach. Yes, she's a born coach. Between the time we're in fellowship, I can tell you the number of guys that Precious mentored. One of the guys is in France now. The other guy, these are people that by all means, they've given up on them. But she will pick you, she will coach you, she will mentor you, she will give you materials to read, and she will even call you son. So if you check my phone right now, her name is still saved with Mom Presh. That's funny, right? But that is the same name I used to save her number in the past. Mom Presh. That's like Mommy Precious. So I kept calling her Mom Presh. Mommy, this is what I want to do. This is what I want to do. Till today in marriage, I know somebody will say, marriage is not supposed to be like that. But Precious is my coach in this business called marriage. I just said that. Yes, somebody will say, why? You are the man, you are the man. I know I'm the man. I don't need to prove that I'm the man. I don't need to show my muscle to know I'm the man. Now, there are certain situations in businesses that I want to rant, I want to shout at somebody, or somebody just step on my toes. After typing a message, I will tell my wife, baby, what do you think about this? She will sit down and analyze the whole message and tell me, this is wrong, this is good, send this way, send that way. Do you understand? This person will look at my conversation with somebody and say, baby, you are wrong. You know what it means for a wife to tell the husband you are wrong? Somebody will tell me, Mr. Ennis, marriage is not supposed to be like that. Hey, marriage is like a watch. Like, I'm not even wearing one watch here. So, but marriage is like a watch. You can decide to put it on your right hand, can decide to put it on the left hand. Nobody said it must be on the left hand. I mean, nobody said so. So, if my wife corrects me, it's part of the game. I don't know why guys feel so arrogant. They cannot talk to you. You are the man of the house. They need to take order from you all the time. You are not married to a robot. Maybe your spouse is not smart. I'm sorry about that, but if you have a wife that has sense, I think it's the right time you take instructions from them. And if you call them a coach like I do, it's a privilege. You just give them that room to play their role. So if you have a spouse or you're going to marry to someone that is smart in the future, I know some of us will feel insecure. You want to reduce this person to your level so you can act as a king. Why? Instead of me reducing pressures, I was planning, baby, I want you to go higher so I can come up higher. Because I know if this girl can go up, 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 it will give me room to grow. So for me, marriage is a point of connection and growth. So I call her a born coach. That's number one. The number two thing about Precious, that Precious is accommodating. Precious is very much accommodating, and till tomorrow, I will tell you, we have had the best experience in guiding other people. Normally, they will tell you, if you're married, don't bring in anybody, especially ladies or opposite sex for the man. Don't bring them close to you. The risk of doing this and doing that. I understand it. But I've had that the other way around. Precious have brought in guys in this house, girls in this house, and we've all stayed completely for months and nobody had issue. Yes, I'm saying that for a fact. Now, what do I mean by accommodating? Accommodating is not just bringing in people into your home or into your business to work with you, but rather it is bringing in somebody and nurturing them, seeing what they have in them and giving them room to grow. In fact, right now I have a lady in front of me who has done like, I think she has read like 15 books, if I'm not mistaken, in the past 6 months. Imagine someone finishing WAEC and being able to read 15 books on business. Yesterday we were talking, she told me, sir, I think I need to focus on marketing more. And I was laughing. This is something I wish someone did for me 3, 5, 10 years ago. And I'm opportune to do it because I have a wife who accommodates. Then the final thing about Precious is that Precious sees potential where people see rubbish. Yes, this is someone who has trained herself over time to spot potential in people. She will look at you and tell you, this is not what you're supposed to be doing now. You're supposed to be doing this. And most likely, she's going to be correct. So when she wanted to transition from coaching general teenagers to focusing on girls, I know boys are going to lose. Like for real, I wish she can be writing books for boys on the side. But then she's going to go all in right now on the girl side. She is in a camp celebrating her birthday. Someone that should be in the house with the family and everything. That is the level of sacrifice she is putting in her vision. So Precious is someone I admire a lot for these qualities. Today is her birthday. And to be honest with you, she is somebody, if you have the chance to talk with her, to interact with her, or to learn from her, please go ahead and learn from her. I know she's going to get busier very soon. But hey, if there's any material out there that you can access to, please find a way and access those material. It is not because she's going to make money. No, it's because she put in her energy, her heart into her content, her materials. Precious, I love you. And I want to use this privilege to tell you how much I love you. You've transformed my life. You've changed everything about me. I'm this street boy, hawking, hustling. I didn't know this life can get this better, this quick. Yes, I believe I will be great in the future. But hey, you can have a goal, but the process takes a lot of energy. Then having someone like you around me made the whole process seamless. I couldn't speak like this in front of the camera 4 years ago. I couldn't even communicate. You told me I can do this. And here am I today talking, coaching other people to communicate effectively in front of the camera. I believe everybody watching this video is deserving of a good wife like you or a good spouse like me, because this is a uniform work and I know we're going to do it together. I believe you, baby girl. This 35th birthday, the next 5 years is going to be the best year of your life ever. I'm going to compress everything you need to do in the next 20 years, put it in these 5 years, so you can get a new vision for the rest of the year. Welcome to the 35th floor. Let's rock it together. I love you and I believe in you.